What is up, guys? Happi Dolphin here, and sorry the camera's a little shaky, and sorry that there's no character here, but today I'm going to announce something epic I'm doing. So for the next 3 days, I will be posting in a row, hopefully. If I break that, sorry, but yeah, I'm pretty busy this weekend, but I was going to try to post on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm doing like a Happi Dolphin special. I might be doing a fan art one of those days. But yeah, so that's my hope. But if that doesn't work, then I might just post like once. I'm not really sure. But anyways, aside from that, I got a phone. So I'm filming with my new phone right now, and yeah, so all my friends have been suggesting that I post this slime video on how to make the slime. So I will be doing a tutorial on that. So hopefully you can make it. It's pretty easy. The only ingredients you really need are water, Model Magic, soap, and these two are optional. The glitter glue, I suggest you add glitter glue because it makes the texture better, and then you need markers. So yeah, and then you just need like a surface and a bowl. But if you don't have these ingredients, don't make it, and it's been a success. It was an all original recipe as far as I know. So let's get started. So first what you're going to want to do is turn on the hot water, make sure it's hot, and you're going to put it in your bowl, and that's the first step. So let me just make sure my water's hot. So that is the temperature, and just do this step if your Model Magic hasn't been needed in a while, or if your Model Magic just it's not the best. So just do the step if it's like mine's like very hard and stuff. It's not like very slime texture. So yeah, see the cracks a lot. So you're going to dip it in here and leave it for like 15 seconds maybe, just like, but hold it underneath the water so it works. I'm telling you, this works. This step is key to making a good slime. So the next step is to be taking your slime out. I'm just going to wring it out, and then you're going to knead it like this. It's not the stretchiest yet because you haven't added all the ingredients, but this is basically what you're going to do. You're going to knead it until you get somewhat of a slime-like texture. So the next step you're going to be doing after you knead it is adding some soap to your slime. This just gets the texture a little more jiggly and stretchy. So you're going to add about that much, and then you're just going to mix it in. This also gives you a little bit of scented smell, but it's not too scented because, well, basically because the Model Magic has a very strong scent, and since it has such a strong scent, it's hard to get that scent out unless you like bleach the scent, but there's no way to bleach scent. Okay, I'm getting a little off track, but yeah. So just do that step until your until your slime is like dry about, not as sticky and watery. So the next step you're going to want to do is, once your slime is like this, depends on what color you want. So I'm going to be making a purple slime, as you can see. So if you want coloring in this, this step's optional. You can color it. So I'm just going to dot it with some purple and color it. Okay, so the next step is to add glitter glue. Again, optional. I would add it because, well, it just, makes the texture stretchier. Sorry, I need to think of it. Oh, so you're just going to add glitter glue. There's not a lot left in this, so yeah. After you put it on, you're basically just going to rub it in. Okay. And basically just rub it into your slime like that and become very stretchy. Yeah, see, like it stretches a lot, as you can see, and it's really easy if you have Model Magic in your house and glitter glue, because it's really easy and it's fun to make and it looks really cool. Here's a close-up. But I suggest you go make this slime, so thank you so much.